Hey you guys, remember my drinks? This is cucumbers and pineapple, ginger, okay? This one is oranges and blueberries and mint. This has mint in it too. Alright, so I'm going to put a tablespoon of my hyaluronic acid and I'm going to do the oranges. I'm going to put it in there, okay? Then I'm gonna put my maca powder, a teaspoon of maca powder, and this one. If I could see with my old eyes. So, a teaspoon. And look, it's like a brown color. It's a nutty smell. It smells like nuts. It's so good. So I'm gonna put that one in here with the pineapples. Okay. Now it dissolves really good. It's not something that is gonna bother you. So you know, what I like about these mason jars, you put stuff in there and just shake it up. Okay. And then I'm gonna also put in here with the hyaluronic acid one of my superfruits. Okay, y'all see that? It has vitamin C in it too. So I'm adding more to my beauty drink. Okay, so I'll pour that in there. Y'all see that? It's the 16 ounces of water that is going in. Alright, so let that fizz up in there. Y'all see that? Now I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of blueberry juice. Huh? Just a little bit. There you go, baby. So I'm gonna put the lid back on that. And I'm gonna shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Yeah, shake it up. So this is my water. This is my first water I'm gonna drink. Alright? And then my maca water I'm gonna drink with my lunch. I can burn that shit off, whatever it is I'm gonna do bad today. I hope I don't do nothing too bad. Alright, but I'll see y'all later with a crime watch story. Y'all like my hair back like this? Huh? I'm moisturizing. And I'm gonna show y'all something else I'm doing. I'm doing like a baggy method. Alright, y'all. In a minute. Peace.